Good morning, viewers. I am top astrologer M. Rajasekaran. In this prediction video, I would like to tell you about the Indian stock market behavior during December 2021. Disclaimer: out of 10 predictions made, I am getting 7 to 8 predictions correct. Previous prediction check. My earlier prediction, which was made around 21/10/2021, is that bearishness will prevail up to 1 month. Later, I predicted that up to 18/11/2021, bearishness will prevail. It occurred exactly. On 21/10/2021, Nifty was at 18,195 points. On 18/11/2021, Nifty was at 17,764 points. Also, I predicted that I have no optimistic target for November month end. With only few trading sessions left for November month end, now you can see that that prediction also came true. On 3/11/2021, I posted the following projection slide. This was a check for my month end projection. See, in the past 6 months, I got it right. I got my projection right during July, August, September. July, September, October. June month end and August month end, the level I predicted has not come to, was something else different. For November, we have to check. That's why I put a blue dot there. For December, my projection is 19K to 20K during December. Now, for today's question, we can see that slide. You see, November, my projection came true. So, in the past 6 months, you can see 4 months, the month end levels I am getting right, 2 months going wrong. Now, we have to check for December. If in the December, the month end level is between 19K to 20K, then my prediction for the past 6 months became 70 to 80% correct. Now let us look at the prediction for December 2021. In the next slide, you can see one of my previous prediction pictures. See here, I have predicted that from 28/10/2021, market is falling, and then it's going up and reaching a point around 20,000 points. You don't have to take it exactly. Around 20,000 points during 28/12/2021. This was my earlier prediction. But looking at the current scenario, at the present things are looking very bearish. But still, I expect the market to go up. Earlier, I expected Nifty to trade in the zone 19,500 to 20,000 in the month of December 2021. Now, maybe I can reduce the points expectation to 19,000 to 19,500 zone. Will it occur or not? You don't have to ask me every day. You can watch for the following things. 1. Next week, FIIs has to turn net buyers. 2. Bank Nifty has to rise. If not in the next week, then at least in December first week. 3. Nifty has to continue to make higher highs. Watch out for these three things from next week. As long as these three occurs, the optimistic projection is on for December 2021. If these three things did not occur, then you don't have to set an optimistic target for December 2021 end. Bank Nifty. Today, Bank Nifty stands at 37,976 points. Bank Nifty will not be able to maintain this level. It has to move either few thousand points up or few thousand points down. November last week. This is a decider week for December 2021. It will set the tone for next month market movement. Thank you.